What is black fungus? It is also known as mucormycosis in medical term. The treatment of COVID-19 make the immune system vulnerable to other infections, including black fungus. Severe COVID-19 infection also weaken the body's immune responses, leading to increased vulnerability to other infections, especially for people who are immunocompromised. Mucormycosis can enter the body through breathing, inhaling, and exposed wounds in the skin. However, it is not contagious, but immunocompromised people are at greater risk to take it. There are different types of mucormycosis, including rhinocerebral, sinus membrane, pulmonary, lung, gastrointestinal, and cutaneous skin mucormycosis. What are the symptoms? Respiratory related symptoms include cough, fever, headache, chest pain, nasal or sinus congestion and pain, shortness of breath. Skin related symptoms include blackened skin, redness, tenderness, swellings, ulcers, and blisters. Homeopathic way of dealing with black fungus. According to Director of Ayush, the following medicine can be used in extreme prostration and debilitating conditions. Arsenic album 200, daily 2 times 6 pills each time for 5 days, and 5-FOS 6x tablets twice daily. In severe debilitating state with extreme prostration, arsenic album 5-FOS 6x. For rhinocerebral mucormycosis, drugs prescribed is arsenic album, Chalybacrom, Merck iodine, Merck Sol, Thuja, Carboanimalus, etc. In case of cutaneous mucormycosis, it is arsenic album, sulfur, Merck Sol, Anthracinum 200 potency, daily 2 times 6 pills each time for 5 days. For gastrointestinal mucormycosis, it is arsenic album, phosphorus, nitric acid 200. How to lower the risk of mucormycosis? Try to avoid the areas with a lot of dust. Avoid direct contact with water damaged buildings and floodwater. Wear shoes, long sleeves when doing outdoor works. Wear gloves. clean skin injuries well. Antifungal medications when you are immunocompromised. Please do subscribe our channel for every medical related videos.